Now, in this video, let's talk about the event response Facebook ads to raise attendance at your events. And obviously, you would use these ads to promote your events and to get more people to show up. Here are some target audience examples. You can target your own page fans because they are already familiar with your brand. You can also target your email list using custom audiences, and we'll cover more on custom audiences in a separate video in this course. You can also target non-fans or locals for any local events. Here are a few things that you can A/B test. You can A/B test different images and call to actions, especially why should they attend your event. And some pro tips from me: you should give people a very strong reason to attend these events. And keep in mind that your warm leads, so your fans, people on your email list, are more likely to attend your events as compared to non-fans who may not have heard of your business at all. So let's go to Facebook and create an event response ad. So I am in my ads manager. Let's click on create ad. And then we'll set or select this objective: raise attendance at your event. And if you look at this, there is an event that I have created for one of my clients, and it's already showing up in the drop down list. So if you have any events that you created on your Facebook business page, they will show up here. If not, you can also enter its URL, the URL of the event. So in this example, let's go with this, and I'll keep the campaign name like that, and then hit select set audience and budget. And now we are at the ad set level. Perfect. From location, this business is in Minnesota, so we want to target people who are in that city and 50-mile radius. Actually, we want to target 25-mile radius. So let me change that. There you go. And it's also, their target audience is 25 and over. So I'll select that, gender, languages. And detail targeting, we'll keep it open, but if you want, you can target people by different demographics, interests, behaviors, and there's some other categories. So for example, if you wanted to target people who were interested in food and drink, you could select that. And even drill down to be very specific and target people who are interested in diners and coffee houses. So Facebook's targeting options are very mature and they have a lot of data. For this client, we're going to leave this blank because we want to target everybody who is in their city and 25-mile radius. So let's go to the connections. And if you notice on connections, we are excluding people who already responded to your event. So if there are people who responded to your event and who have signed up, you do not want to show them this ad again. So that's why we added that here. You can save this audience for future use if you want. Let's skip that. Our budget is actually $5 per day. And then you can set the start and end date, or if you wanted to run it continuously starting today, you can select this option. Ad set name, you can add any name here that you like, and then click on choose ad creative. And now we are at the ad level. choose different images to create multiple ads. So if you notice, Facebook already detected the image we're using at the event when we created the event on the Facebook page. But can you tell me what's wrong with this ad or this image? If you said there's too much text, you're exactly right. So if I submit this ad to Facebook for approval, they will reject this ad. So let's go up and go to free stock images and pick another image. Let's actually go with this one. And I'm going to cancel this image. There we go. And this is where you can connect your Facebook page if this wasn't already connected. In text, you can add your call to action or any text that you want people to see, and this text will actually appear right here on the top of your image. Perfect. Let's look at the ad preview now. This is how your ad will look like on the desktop. You can click on crop and crop the image to your liking. Scroll down. This is how your ad will look like on the mobile phone, in the mobile newsfeed. And here's the ad for the desktop right-hand column. And I typically remove those. But you can definitely test the placement on the right-hand column and see which one works best for your campaigns. And after you're happy with everything, just click on place order, and this ad and campaign will go to Facebook for the approval process. Now keep in mind, it can take anywhere from a couple of hours to even up to 24 hours for Facebook's team to approve this ad. And once it's approved, you can go back to your ads manager and look at the data. So this is how you can use Facebook's event response ads and show your events to a lot of people and increase the traffic or foot traffic to your local events.